Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Samsung has sent out press invites for the Galaxy Unpacked event on August 9th, where the company is expected to launch the Galaxy Note 9. The event will take place at the Barclays Center in New York and will kick off at 11 a.m. ET, 8:30 p.m. IST. The focus of the invitation is on the S Pen, which suggests Samsung has revamped it in a major way, especially the button. It's speculated to double up as a fingerprint sensor. Samsung will also unveil Bixby 2.0 alongside the Galaxy Note 9, and is also expected to launch the Gear Sport 4 smartwatch and a new tablet in the Galaxy Tab S series at the event.